So we're on the USS Constellation, folks. Give you a quick little tour, top to bottom. So now we're going down. We'll call this the third deck, the gun deck. Look at these guns. I'm having a hard time walking in this thing. I'm 6'4", and let me tell you, they must have made shorter people back then, because I can't even stand anywhere close to. Look at this. These are bathtubs. These are actually on both sides. Isn't that cool? Guns all the way up this side, the other side as well. Go ahead and go down to deck number 2. Yeah, so look at all these hammocks down here. Oh yeah.
He's like 25, 26 pounds. He's pretty big for a 9-month-old. So yeah. Well, his dad and 2 of his grandpas are all over 6 foot. So
Gunner.
I just expect that there might be some.
Boatswain. Oh, this is pretty cool. Executive officer. 2nd lieutenant, navigator. 3rd lieutenant. 4th lieutenant. 5th lieutenant. A bit of storage back there. Chaplain. Marine lieutenant. Surgeon. Paymaster. Master. Oh, it starts really getting real short down in here. Look at these little rooms. So this would be the hold, or deck number 1, I'd say.
Yeah.
Yeah. Check out some of this cool rigging up here. How cool is that? See, they got enough blocks, huh? How cool is that?